Welcome to the tutorial on how to connect your MMA controller to the HMI. To start up the HMI, plug in the USB stick and select the program with the Magnetic Innovations logo. When you started up the HMI, you see a red dot on the top left of your screen. This means that you do not have a MMA controller connected to your HMI. To connect a MMA controller, press the magnifying glass search icon on top of your screen and wait till your HMI found the communication port where the MMA controller is connected to. Now you see on the left-hand side of your screen that the red dot disappeared and that the controller is connected to your HMI. After you connected the MMA controller to the HMI, you are not done yet. Go to the configurator on top of your screen. Here you see Startup Actuator and Loaded Actuator. Make sure the actuator you have connected to the MMA controller corresponds with the loaded actuator. If you choose it as Startup Actuator, every time the HMI starts up, it will choose that actuator as Loaded Actuator. In the configurator screen, you can also see what the serial number is of the MMA controller you connected to the HMI. You can also select different modes for the actuator here, like Position Mode, Force Mode, and Amplifier Mode. For further information about the different modes, check the other videos on our YouTube channel.